Very good delivery first up. Another left armour. Oh, that's picked up beautifully. That's going to go for 4. That is a very good shot. First ball faced in this big game.
In his first game today, he's got another boundary off the first ball.
Oh, it's another beautiful drive. There's a man in the way. There's a raider.
2 brilliant bits of cricket. It's the cover drive first, square of the wicket, and then it's the pickup diving to his right.
One of the national players quote tweeted the video of the cover drive and just added the one word, wow. He's got that away, and that's 4 more. So now it's Basad Ali who's picked up a boundary.
Yeah, Mir's not happy. I don't know why he's not happy. There's not much you can do about this. There's nothing wrong with the ball. Good length going across the right-hander. He's just opened the face and timed it elegantly behind point. Really can't blame anyone.
It's a good shot. I think that's a sliding leg side. Just. Sent back. That's through the hands, I think. Perhaps should have been stopped, but it went quickly.
Yeah, it's the pace at which it's gone. It's probably done the fielder at backward point. Now it's gone through the hands before he's actually got his body behind it. He's not impressed with that, Raza.
Got himself into a little bit of a trap. Looks like he's a little bit more controlled so far. He played some lovely shots. Amongst those shots, it's got to be added. Just every now and then just try to overhit. That's beautifully played too. 4 more runs. Fine stroke. Wonderful timer of the ball.
Well, there's no respite for the bowlers. You get busted or strike, you've got to deal with Bahawalpur. Look at this for a stroke. Oh, such a good technique. Triggers, sets himself up as still, and then moves from there according to where the ball is pitched. I like the look of this player.
It's a bit of a bottom edge, and that's gone fine. He won't mind too much, Tayyab Arif. 14 off that over, 24 for no loss. Nice shot of that bottom edge of the bat coming into play. Disappointment for the bowler, Raza. A little bit of a smile from the youngster, why not? Squeezing it for just 1. Nicely bowled from Amir. Perfect line and length to Tayyab. Try and just put these opening batsmen under a bit of pressure, try and take them out of their comfort zone. Cries of catch it. Not to the man at mid-on. Single the result, 29 for no loss. A little bit quicker, just a fraction shorter. Just the sweep into play, good return, might be interesting. Not quite over the top of the stumps and not quite powerful enough.
They did well running around to his right on the boundary, but they decided very early that they were going to come back for 2. Stronger throw. Might have been interesting for Bahawalpur.
Chopped away, backward a square. That's a fine stroke. That's beautiful from Basad Ali.
Now, if you want to keep him quiet, One way is to make sure you don't give him width outside the off stump. Plays the ball so well, finds the gaps. We've seen him go on the left side of that man. This time he goes to the right. She's thoroughly enjoyed that.
Oh, it's a good strong shot that down the ground. Beautifully played by Basit Ali for 4.
The field is up. He knows I just need to get it past mid-on or mid-off. Does exactly that. Knew it was 4 the moment he hit it. Couple of bounces into the boundary.
Run rate is at 8.8. Cries of catch it. It's a little bit finer than catching, and it's gone for 4. So that's the 3rd boundary of the over. 12 from it, 5 gone. They're on track, 45 for none. Picked that up so early, directed at the body. No problem, just swiveling around. Hitting it reasonably high on the bat, but still lots of power behind it. And he got it away quite comfortably. Really was a fine stroke. I knew he was going to stop. Even though he'd hit a couple of 4s, he was going to hit the next one for a 4 if he got the opportunity.
45 without loss then. 5 overs gone. Now, just a little chip down the ground. I think he's tried to go over mid-off. And lucky for him, he got a little bit of an inside edge. Son of me, this has been a really good power play, hasn't it?
Absolutely, and you're spot on. He was trying to go over that mid-off fielder because mid-off was in the circle.
That is a beautiful shot. Seriously, this is a good shot because of the position he gets in. It brings up the 50 and it's pure timing.
The timing and the power he can create from the back foot, that has been amazing, whether it's the fast bowlers or the spinners. Basit Ali is so good to watch, and he has been quite consistent. Strikes with over 170 and still quite consistent.
3rd 50 in the power play. Oh, good response from Afnan Khan. A little bit flatter, a little bit quicker. 3 balls left in the power play so far. It's just so good, these two teams really going at each other. We've seen that in that first innings.
Much flatter than other spinners that we have seen in the tournament.
Most wickets, and Javed Miandad for that man on screen. Last ball of the power play, and they'll pick up a single, so power play done. 53 for no wicket.